How the fuck does a vector database actually work? All right, picture this. You've got a giant document, a PDF, a transcript, some boring company manual nobody ever reads. You dump it into AI and the AI is like, bruh, too long. My brain maxes out after a few thousand tokens. Not happening. So what do? We slice it up. That's called chunking. Think pizza logic. You don't inhale the whole pie in one bite, unless you hate yourself. You cut it into slices, smaller digestible chunks. Same with text. Now comes embeddings. What the hell does that even mean? It means each chunk goes through a model that translates words and sentences into numbers. Vectors. Lists of numbers that capture meaning. So cat becomes a vector. Dog lands nearby because it's another four-legged carpet pisser. Banana? Totally different zip code. Doesn't hang with cats or dogs. But it's not just about words, Wes, it's about context. Riverbank lands in the nature neighborhood. Money in the bank gets tossed across town into finance. Same spelling, different meaning, and the vectors know it. Whole sentences, too. How do I get my money back? And what's your refund policy? Don't share a single keyword, but the database parks them side by side because the meaning lines up. All those vectors get dumped into the vector database. And unlike SQL's boring rows and columns, this thing organizes data by meaning. Think memory palace, not filing cabinet. So when you query it, you're not saying, find me this exact word. You're saying, find me the closest meaning to what I just asked. The DB hunts through high-dimensional math space and brings back the neighbors that match. That's the magic. Vector databases don't store words. They store meaning. And that's why your AI can sound smart instead of like Clippy crawling out of a Windows XP grave. So champ, next time someone drops vector database in a meeting and half the room nods like sheep, you'll actually know the real deal. Document, chunking, embeddings, vectors, vector database, retrieval answer. That's the flow. That's the secret sauce. And if you don't learn this now, you'll be the guy trying to run modern AI with Excel sheets, wondering why your chatbot keeps confusing refund policy with banana. If you like the way I explain this, good, because I'm launching a community soon, and this is exactly how I'll teach you inside. The cool part? It's not just videos, it's interactive. What does that mean? It means after you get the concept, you'll actually do it yourself. You'll set up a vector database, you'll train it, and I'll guide you through every single step, even if you're not technical. So champ, go hit follow, check the bio, drop your email, and be ready when it launches. Because technical shit doesn't have to be boring.